Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Handcrafted 23. I'm Srija and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, I'll show you how to make a unique, handmade and fully personalized fridge magnet. Let's get started. We'll begin with an MDF sheet as the base. MDF is strong and perfect for this craft. Choose a beautiful wallpaper that reflects your style and carefully paste it onto the MDF sheet. Make sure to smooth it out to avoid any wrinkles or air bubbles. Next, take a thermocol board and cut it into small shelf-like pieces. These will help create a 3D layered effect. Arrange the pieces on the MDF base and glue them securely. Let's give it some time to dry. To enhance the design, add small triangle-shaped pieces to the edges of the shelves. These little touches will make the magnet look even more realistic. Now comes the best part, decorating. Let's make tiny plants using wooden beads. Paint the beads in fun colors, add greenery, and voila, you have adorable little planters. It's time to personalize the magnet. Add mini-sized photos. Pictures of family, friends, or pets work perfectly. Then, place mini dolls or figurines on the shelves. You can also include your favorite toys or tiny accessories like books or kitchenware for a unique look. Finish off by adding decorative plants or other elements that fit your theme. Step back and admire your masterpiece. Finally, to turn this into a fridge magnet, attach strong magnets to the back of the MDF sheet. Make sure they're securely fixed so your magnet stays in place on any metal surface. And there you have it, a fully personalized fridge magnet, handmade with love. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Handcrafted 23 for more creative ideas and projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.